it's jab, stab in, right back to solid structure, stab, punch, stab, roll, stab, right back to loose.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
When you're here, you've got extensions, so you're out like you're using a jab or like you're using the eye shot. The second you go to the ice pick, you're much closer, you're tighter in proximity. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna loosen up and we're gonna use the ice pick, but stay a little bit further out and still work to get some reach. So now, again, this structure is if we're a little bit closer, because with the ice pick, I need to be a little bit closer. I mean, I can move back still, but I want that solid frame. But now what you're gonna do is we're gonna relax the hand a bit. The hand's gonna actually come down a little bit. So now we've loosened that kind of more rigid 90, and now we're relaxed and more pliable with the blade. The hand's down a little bit. So we're creating a path. You know, let this guy come through the path, or we're just a little bit further away so we can relax the muscles a little bit. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to go from low, and you're gonna push in, and you're gonna come up real quick from low, and just come over the guard, and quit get it. And now, you're getting a little more tricep in there. Okay, you gotta remember, like, when we're closer, we need more solid frames. And we need short, like lots of body weight. Okay, now go right down the center, just like we would a jab. Right down the center. So just get as much extension as you can, keeping the blade straight. So just know that we can still kind of jab it, and then right back and move. So you can go over, you can go straight. Okay? Now, let's just combine a couple of these things together, slow and smooth. So, stay back, be loose. Do a little center jab. 1, 2, come back. Come over top. 1, and then pull back into a solid frame. And then stab, remember, stab body. Punch, stab. Roll under, stab. And then you're right back to loose. So it's jab, stab in, right back to solid structure, stab, punch, stab, roll, stab, right back to loose. Jab it in, jab, jab. Over top, solid, stab, punch, stab, roll it, stab, right back to loose.